Hello everyone, I welcome you all to my channel, The Logical Learning. In this lecture, we will solve some problems of propositions, how to write propositions and how to write negations of propositions. So for the basic information of these two topics, propositions and negations, disjunction, conjunction, all these logical operators, you may go to these previous videos. Here you will find the details of these propositional logics and these logical operators. So today I will solve some problem. So first one, which of the following sentences are propositions? So as I already discussed, now simply we have to check whether these sentences are true or false, because we say sentence is a proposition if it is true or false. So Delhi is the capital of India. This is true. The sum of 4 and 7 is 12. 4 and 7, the sum is 11, but here it is 12, so it is false. What is the time now? This is neither true nor false. So you can say we can't say whether it is true or false. X plus 5 equal to 12. Unless you define x, you cannot say whether it is true or false. So this is in the same category of this previous one. So only two, A and B, are either true or false. So this one is a proposition, this one is a proposition, but these two are not propositions. So in this way, you can identify whether a given sentence is proposition or not. Now, second thing, how can we write negation of a proposition? Today is Monday. Simply we can denote it by P. P for today is Monday. So the negation of P is negation of P. So the answer is today is not Monday. So the negation of this proposition is today is not Monday. 3 plus 5 equal to 8. Similarly, you can write it in the form of sentence as the sum of 3 and 5 is 8. So the negation of this should be sum of 3 and 5 is not equal to 8. So you can write it 3 plus 5 is not equal to 8. Now third one. This is interesting. Today is cold and sunny. Look at this. This operator and is there. Basically, it is a conjunction of two prepositions. Today is cold and you can say today is sunny. So here two, P and Q. Two prepositions are there. One is P is today is cold and this one is P is sunny. So we have to find the negation of this one. If you directly write today is not cold and sunny, you cannot apply bracket here and while writing in the form of sentence. So how can we write it better way? So look at this. First, try to write its proposition in a symbolic form. This is P and Q. So now we have to find the negation of P and Q. So this is negation P. The sign will be changed. This is and, we will write or. This is negation Q. So negation P and Q, this is equivalent to negation P or negation Q. So P is today is cold. It means today is not cold. This is or today is not sunny. So the answer is, in short, you can write today is not cold or not sunny. Here you can also write today is not, but to write this or not sunny, this is also sufficient. So the negation of this one is today is not cold or not sunny. Just remember this one. Simply if you write today is not cold and sunny, so this is not enough. So write in proper way, define P, Q, then negate it, then finally write the answer. Convert this one into a sentence. Similarly, last one, I go to Delhi or I play cricket during my holidays. Similarly, suppose this is P, I go to Delhi and I play cricket, this is Q. So I go to Delhi during my holidays, this is P, I play cricket, IPLAY, I play cricket during my holidays. So this is P and Q. So now we have to find the, look at this, the sentence, this is P or Q, P or Q, and we have to find the negation of P or Q. So this is negation P and negation of Q. So negation P, I do not go to Delhi and I do not play cricket during my holidays. So the answer is I do not go to Delhi, I do not play cricket during my holidays. So in this way, you can write negation of propositions. You have to check whether a given proposition is simple or a compound proposition. Just like this. Here it is a simple proposition, but here it is a compound proposition. If it is a compound proposition, then first you have to apply all these rules of propositional logic, then you have to explain it. So I hope that you got the concept of writing propositions and how can you write negation. So in next video I will solve some another problems. Thank you.